आप देखो आज की डेट में, इनफैक्ट ये चीज़ तो आज मैंने शेखर को बोली, मैंने बोला कांग्रेस को बीजेपी को हराने के लिए कोई ज़्यादा ट्वीक्स नहीं करने हैं, उनको बेस लेवल 10 to 15% ट्वीक्स करने हैं टू बी कम्पिटिटिव, फिर हराने की बात
अगर वो भी प्रो हिंदू हो जाएंगे तो फिर अजीब सा नहीं हो जाएगा, क्योंकि इट्स लाइक if you can't watch a full podcast, watch a clip instead. You'll be as entertained and as informed. That's my guarantee. That's why you gotta subscribe to those cast clips.
नहीं, मगर इस देश की धरोहर ही धार्मिक है यार, तो इसमें पाप क्या है? मेरे को तो कोई शर्म भी नहीं आती बोलने को.
But like it's like
Look,
if
let's look at this purely as market forces, okay? It's not like everybody goes after poor Navika and Times now. ठीक है? There was a Fay and Mirror now. And what they wanted was a left of center channel and a right of center channel. The left of center channel never took off. So this is a market. ठीक है? It's a very clear market where you realize that the mood of the nation is shifting right. You look at it historically. The more a country grows, the more to the right it gets. It's only when, you know, social security and everything become absolute at around $20,000 that the move left starts beginning again. Actually more at $40,000 where there's high disposable income and there's a great deal of security in society that you start moving left again. ठीक है? This was bound to happen, that the country was bound to go right. This is pure market dynamics. Now the Congress, well, not the Congress, Rahul. Congress used to be fairly big tent. Huh? Rahul is saying there is nothing, the market is wrong, my product is not wrong. I will sell only Mercedes-Benz in Dharavi. मर्सिडीज बेंज शोरूम देखा है? तो अभी बॉम्बे शिफ्ट हो गया है, तूने मर्सिडीज बेंज धारावी देखा है?
नहीं
है, but that is what he's trying to do. So he is not even selling Mercedes Benz in Dharavi, boss. He's selling Rolls Royce in Dharavi. Okay, now the product, see, understand, the market is never wrong. The market knows what it wants. It's their money, they know what they want. The only way the Congress now has is to outflank the BJP on its right. You can't do outflanking on the left because remember, the BJP itself has become quite left-wing. So this is right.
What? The BJP has become quite left-wing.
Left-wing.
Right,
so imagine this is the right, this is the left, the mic is the center. ठीक है? BJP initially, ये देखो, ये गिलास में इधर रखता हूँ, ठीक है? गिलास, ठीक है? Now, so for visual interest, I'll keep a black something here, ठीक है? Now, this was what BJP was. Okay? Now, with Modi, they started shifting more and more and more to the left socially.
तो बीजेपी को राइट विंग क्यों बोलते हैं?
So suno, listen, let me first finish. This is where the BJP is now. Okay? It hasn't given up any space here, but it's gained a lot of space here. Congress, which had all this space to play around, has now shrunk to only this much. Where is the room here? You have to get this space now.
That
You
means they have to
understand?
get righter than the BJP.
It's pure market positioning. It's a pure case of market dynamics and things like that. पर इस बंदे ये तो this joker is from the Piketty School of Economics. इसको क्या समझ में आएगा market dynamics?